Hey guys and gals, hope everyone's doing well. What follows is a video that I've made showing the Porsche aluminum looking plastic gas cap. I purchased one of those to replace the original factory regular plastic gas cap, which really looks kind of cheap. And I don't know if I should be giving credit or blame to my friend Peter who talked me into getting this, but anyways, I'm going to be showing a video that I made that shows the removal of the connector piece that connects the gas cap to the gas cap door and replacing it with the new one. You'll get to see what it looks like, and you know, it's really just an aesthetic improvement for the car. Nothing more than to help you feel good about the gas cap when you're standing at the pump putting gas in your car. It's not going to give you any kind of horsepower or torque increase or anything else. So it's just for looks, and if you like that sort of thing, then you'll probably like this gas cap. And if you like this video, please be sure to hit like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think of this video, or let me know of any other content you'd like to see on the channel. I'd love to hear your feedback and your comments. So anyways, without any further ado, let's get right into removing the old gas cap connector and cap and putting on the new one. See you shortly. So here we have the original OEM cap, and before I go ahead and remove this whole part, and I'll show how to do that, I just want to make sure that this looks, it fits properly. And so this is how it goes. I'm going to go ahead and there we go. Looks nice. Let's get to removing this plastic thing. Alright, so this is probably going to be the hardest part of this job, is taking off this plastic ring. You can see what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just poke that through and very gently, there we go, pops right off. See that? Alright, now to select the right plastic attachment piece for the new gas cap. So you can see the new gas cap comes with 3 different rings with different, the main difference is this little piece here at the end. You see there's 3 different shapes. There's those 2, and then there's this one. You can see how they all look a little bit different. The one that looks most like the factory one, which this is the factory one, is this one right here. And I could tell there is a little bit of a difference in how this plastic piece feels, but it's probably exactly the same. So let's see how easy this thing pops on. It looks like you just slip it on. There we go. And there we have it. Now let's get it back over to the car. Alright, so here we have it. We're gonna go ahead and attach the gas cap right there. I'm gonna go ahead, I sprayed a little bit of Worth silicone free plastic spray on this thing to kind of lube it up a little bit, and it slips right on, and there we have it. There's our fancy new fake aluminum plastic gas cap. Definitely does look really nice. Hopefully it doesn't throw any warning lights on the dashboard, and I'll look a whole lot cooler filling up the car with gas at the gas pump. Well, there you have it, folks. That there was the installation of the new aluminum looking plastic gas cap. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you like this video, please be sure to hit like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know what other content you'd like to see on this channel. And that's it. It's an aluminum looking gas cap that's plastic. What more do you want? Anyways, take care everyone. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.